Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your GoDaddy account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a GoDaddy.com and press enter. At the official web page of GoDaddy, you can see sign in button. Click on sign in. First, you need to get logged into your account. For that, you need to provide your registered username and password, then get logged in. Click on sign in. Here, GoDaddy will send a 6-digit code in your mail address, so you need to go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the GoDaddy. At the very top, you can see a mail from GoDaddy. Click and open the mail. Here, you can see a code. Just copy the code. Now, go back to your GoDaddy login page. Then, paste the code over here. Click on Verify Code. Here, you need to click on Account Settings. Now, click on Login and PIN. Scroll to the down and you can see Password section. Click on Edit. To change your password, first of all, you need to provide your current password. So, go for it. Now, go in for providing a new password for your account. Retype your password for the confirmation. Click on Save. Your account password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your GoDaddy account password. Thank you.